Hello guys, this is Linzelos here, and today we're continuing with the piano book. Now it's out of the way, let's get into it. Locate the F below the middle of the keyboard. This sign came after the letter F. The bass staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. This is the F line. The F line passes between the 2 dots of the F clef sign. Number 1. Trace the bass clef signs always begin at the F line. Wait, what? Review. The notes of the left hand C position are written on the bass staff. C, played by 5, is written on the second space of the staff. Each next higher note is written on the next higher line or space. Write the names of the 5 notes in left hand C position on the keyboard to your right. Write the name of each note in the box below it. Okay. The grand staff. The bass staff and treble staff are when joined together, brace, make up the grand staff. Treble clef, brace, bass clef. Time signature. Music has numbers at the beginning called time signature. 4 means 4 beats to each measure. 4, the quarter note gets 1 beat. Playing on the grand staff. Only the starting finger given for each hand is given. The following practice procedure is recommended for the rest of the pieces in this book. 1. Clap or tap and count. 2. Play and count. 3. Play and sing the words, if any. Mexican habits. What? Understand. Writing in 4/4 time. Remember, music has numbers at the beginning called time signature. The top number tells the number of beats counts in each measure. The bottom number tells the kind of note that gets 1 beat count. Quarter, no, 1 count, total number counts, 1. Half count, 1, 2. Total number counts, 2. Whole, 1, 2, 3, count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number counts, 4. Bar line divide the music into measures. Each measure is in 4/4 time, has notes adding up to 4 counts. Complete each measure by adding just 1 G to each, so the counts add up to 4. Complete each measure by adding just 1 C to each, so it just counts up to 4. Complete each measure by adding just 1 F to each, so it counts up to 4. This Mary had a little lamp. Skip the songs. This get a melodic intervals. Distances between tones are measured in intervals called seconds, thirds, fourths, fifths, etc. Notes played separately make a medley. Medley. We call the intervals between these notes melodic intervals. Play the melodic seconds and thirds to the sound of each interval. Measuring melodic seconds and thirds. The distance from any white key to the next white key, up or down, plus second. Seconds go from line to space, or from space to line. When you skip a white key, the interval is a third. Thirds go from line to line, or from space to space. Harmonic intervals. Notes played together make harmony. We call the intervals between these notes harmonic intervals. Place harmonic seconds and thirds. Listen to the sound of each interval. Measuring harmonic seconds and thirds. Play these harmonic seconds and thirds. Say the name of each interval as you play. Melodic fourths and fifths. Play these melodic fourths and fifths. Listen to the sound of each interval. Measuring melodic fourths and fifths. When you skip two white keys, the interval is a fourth. Fourths go from line to space or space to line. When you skip three white keys, the interval is a fifth. Fifths go from line to line or space to space. Play harmonic fourths and fifths. Listen to the sound of each interval. The C major chord. A chord is three or more notes played together. The C major chord is made of three notes: C, E, G, K. Be sure to play all three chord notes exactly together with fingers nicely curved. Introducing B for left hand. To find B, place the left hand in C position, reach finger 5, one white key to the left. Play slowly, say the note names as you play. Two important chords. Two frequently used chords are C major and G7. Chord symbols are always used in popular music to identify chord names. Practice changing from the C chord to the G7 chord back again, and back again. Lost songs now. Introducing B for right hand. To find B, place the right hand in C position. Reach finger 1 and 1 white key to the left. Play slowly. Say the note names that you play. C and G7 chords for right hand. It is very important to be able to play all chords with the right hand as well as the left chord, as well as the left. Chords are used in either or both hands in popular and classical music. The G7 chord for left hand. The construction of 7 chords will be more fully explained later. For now, the G7 chord will be made by playing B, F, and G. Using the left hand 5, 2, and 1. Chord symbols. In popular music, chord symbols are used to identify chord names. The symbol for the C major chord is C. The symbol for the G7 chord is G7. Write the chord symbol C or G7 in the box of blue. Oops. Mm-mm. New time signature. 3/4 means 3 beats to each measure. Means a quarter note gets 1 beat. Clap or tap the following rhythm cup once for each note, counting aloud. Dotted half note. A dotted half note gets 3 counts, 2 counts for half note, plus 1 count for the dot. Ah. Introducing A for the left hand. To find A, place the left hand in C position. Reach finger 1, white, one, reach finger 1, 1 white key to the right. Warm up using C, G7, and F chords. Practice slowly at first, and then gradually increase speed. all the another line here for the left hand. Introducing A for the left hand. Find introducing A for right hand. Find A, place the right hand in C position. Leave one on C. Shift all the other fingers on one white key. Right. Possible. The F major chord for the left hand. Thus to the left, the F major chord are fact. FAC. When moving from the C major chord to the F major chord, it's easier to play the F chord with the notes in this order: C, F, A. This allows the fifth finger to play C in both chords. What? C position. Till now, you have played only in C position. Oh, G position. Now you'll move to G position. Right hand 1 on the G above middle C. Left hand 5 on the G below middle C and shift all of your fingers. Writing in G position. Right hand 1 on the G above middle C. Left hand 5 on the G below middle C. The sharp sign. The sharp sign before a note means to play the next key to the right, red, black, or white. When a sharp appears before a note, it applies to that note for the rest of the measure. Circle the notes that are sharp. Mm, mm. Writing the sharp. You're probably developing equal skills of all fingers. By the time you'll realize that some fingers are more difficult to control than others. The fifth finger is the smallest and weakest and requires special exercises to develop strength equal to the others. The fourth finger is the least independent finger and the least agile. It is the only finger that is bound to its number of fingers by tendons that limit its movement. It is the only finger that is bound to its neighboring fingers by tendons that limit its movement. That's true. The first and second fingers are the most agile fingers. They can move more easily through a larger arc. They are the strongest fingers. The first finger, thumb, has its own problems. Its muscles are not designed to make it easy to strike a downward arc, rather to pull the thumb inward toward the palm. This makes it practical to turn the thumb under the fingers for playing scales. You'll see it later. But in ordinary playing, the thumb must strike on the side tip, thus more awkward than the other fingers. The following illustration shows the tendons of the left hand and views from the back of the hand. Don't know where. Well, if you don't know where the tendons bind the forefinger to the fifth and fourth fingers, they're right here and here. Just a movie. And after today's video, hope you enjoyed and see you again very, very soon. Later.